Feel your eyes, they're all over me. Don't be shy, take control of me. It's the vibe, it's gonna be lit tonight.
Are you wondering how you can create these cute wedding sneakers that you see on the socials all the time? Well, if so, keep watching because I'm going to show you how you can create them for yourself.
A hole of light through the big top 10 up high, here before and after me, shine down on me. Moon, tell me if I could send all of my heart to you, so when I die, which I must do, could it shine down here with you? The smile